In today's video, you will learn how to start page numbering from specific page in Google Docs. If you want your page numbers to begin from a certain section, like an introduction or main body, open your document and go to the point where you want numbering to start. Place your cursor at the very beginning of that section. Next, create a section break so the document can be split into two parts. Go to the Insert menu, choose Break, then select Section Break. This separates the earlier pages from the section you want to number. Now add page numbers by going back to Insert, then Page Numbers, and choose the standard format. You will see numbers appear across the whole document for now. To fix this, go to the header area in the section where numbering should start. Find the option that says Link to Previous and turn it off. This disconnects the numbering from the earlier section. Finally, open the page number options and set the numbering to start at 1. Apply the changes. Now your document will begin page numbering exactly from the section you selected, giving it a clean and professional structure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.